I want to talk about live captions. This is another thing Microsoft rolled out, I think, late last year, and they've been adding new languages and stuff like that. But it's live captioning. Again, not particularly easy to demo in a Teams environment. So we've got Alistair here, who's going to be my lovely assistant. I'm going to turn on live captions, and Alistair's going to start speaking.
Yeah, so hopefully that will start to come through.
There we go.
There we go. That's it starting to. Let's see if it picks up the Scottish accent. I think it is.
There we go.
So again, very useful accessibility for people who are hard of hearing. It's a very good feature.